Viewers, you are welcome to some phonetics class. In today's class, I will be guiding you through the articulation of the vowel sound E. This is the vowel sound. It sounds E. It is a short vowel sound. It is also one of the most common vowel sounds in English language. What are the qualities of these vowel sounds? Number one, it is a mid vowel. What does that mean? It means that in the course of articulation, the position of the tongue is neither too high nor too low. That is to say, the tongue is positioned in between the roof of the mouth and the floor of the mouth. As you can see, you can see that the tongue is in between the roof of the mouth and the floor of the mouth. 2. It is the front vowel sound. That is to say, the tongue is positioned toward the front of the mouth. 3. It is unrounded vowel sound. That is to say, in the course of articulation, the lips are not rounded, but slightly apart. All right, let us look at the graphemes that represent this vowel sound. The first grapheme here is A. This A represents the vowel sound E in the following words: any, many, many. All right, the next one is AI. This AI represents the vowel sound E in the following words, as in said, not said. So, said. Again. All right. The next grapheme or typical spelling pattern that represents the vowel sound E is E. As in cake, step, rent. Next grapheme that represents the vowel sound E is EA, as in head, pleasant, weapon, not weapon. As we proceed, I would like you to do 3 things for me. Number 1, share this video, like it, and follow me if you are new to my page. You can as well subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. And above all, I want you to make a comment. All right. The next one is EI. This EI represents the vowel sound E in this word, as in heifer, not heifer. Next is IE. This IE represents the vowel sound E in this word, as in friend. Last one here is EO. This EO is one of the graphemes that represents the vowel sound E, as in leopard, not leopard. Jeffrey, not Geoffrey. Jeopardize, not jeopardize. All right, thank you for watching.